you've wanted to start a blog, but every tool felt like homework, watch this. I'm going to take my own site, the one I have run on WordPress for years, and recreate the same look here in Airo AI Builder. And in part 2, I will show you how to run it yourself every week. I'm Courtney Robertson at GoDaddy. Let's build. Here's where I'm working from. This is my own site, the one that I've run on WordPress for 20 years. I'm recreating that same look here on Airo AI Builder with my own colors and my own content. Copying your own site is completely fine. Copying someone else's might not be. The work from your own site or a look you have rights to use. If you're starting fresh and do not have a site yet, you do the same thing. You just describe the look you want instead of pointing at one you already have. Whether you write about food in Lagos, run a consulting practice in Manila, or photograph weddings in your town, the steps are all the same. There's one rule that does most of the work. Tell Airo what you are building, who it is for, and what it needs to do. The more of that you put in the first prompt, the less back and forth you'll have later. Watch how much context goes in up front. What it is, who it is for, the pages I need, my colors, and the look I'm recreating for my own site. This is the golden rule in one prompt. And there it is, a homepage that lists posts, a real post layout, an about page, all in my colors. For the first pass, that's a real looking site, not a template that screams template. It is not perfect yet, and that's normal. Real builds take a few passes. The trick is one focused change at a time, so Airo knows exactly what to do. Each prompt does one job: hard layout, then the sticky header and footer links. If I had asked for all of it at once, I would be more likely to get something that I did not mean. Building and refining the look uses credits, the same as any build. We will get into credits in part 2, because the part that surprises people is how little it costs to actually run a blog once it exists. So that's my own site's look, recreated in Airo AI Builder. It is yours, your colors, your pages, your content. If you need to build one, it is free to try and your GoDaddy account, no credit card needed. The link is in the description. Part 2 is the one that matters most. How you write posts and run this yourself every week without a developer? Watch that next. Tell me in the comments what your blog would be about. I read them and they shape what I build next. If you enjoyed this, please click like, subscribe, and come join us in the Discord servers to share what you're building. Thanks so much. See you again soon.